Hey friends, if you wish to delete browsing history from your Google Chrome browser, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Google Chrome, and then click on these three dots at the top right corner. Select history, click on history once again, select delete browsing data, choose the time range as all time, click on delete data, and that's how you can delete the history. Now obviously we have customizations like in the same on the same page. If you check, we can have advanced options and we can change the time range accordingly, and we can also delete passwords, autofill data, site settings, and hosted app data and everything. So simply click on delete data. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.